Alright folks, we're going to change these bushings. I'm going to blow this hinge off, slice that baby off. Let's see if I can get it with this. Nice. Z. Z. Yeah, look at that. It's El Shotsky. Alrighty. Oh wow, okay, cool. She fell off. Nice. And it's got wobbles. Alright, let me reposition the camera. I don't know if you guys can see it. These guys, the way they smash them over. If you try to drive it straight through, you'll ogre the hole terribly. So I just cut them off, drive it through, put the new bushings, drive the new pin in. So hang on just a second. All right, didn't have my safety glasses, so we'll grab the trusty cut-off wheel here. That's the brand old. Pull these guys out. I usually don't come out too hard. Pull these brass bushings out. I might need something else. Might snap on upholstery tool. Popped it right out. It's plastic. It's freaking plastic. That amazing. I don't remember that. Oh yeah, it's plastic. What explains that? Anyway, I'm gonna dig this. Alright. We got the old ones out. There's the new dogs. I'm just gonna drive them in. The new pin. It's provisions for a C-clip where I guess they used to stake it. Anyway, so we'll drive these babies in. Tap them in gently. Nice. Beautiful. Alright. Primer went at the bottom. 2 at the bottom. 1 at the top. Pin goes in. I don't know if you guys can see any of this. Probably too far away. But anyway, there we go. Pin goes in. You can see that it's knurled. So it wants to stay. There we go. Wow. Nice. Nice. Ha! Alright. Now I'll put this back on. Hopefully I don't knock the tripod over. Looks pretty close to where it used to be. If not, right where it used to be. Looks like we got the same thing going on here. Push this in a little bit. There we go. How did that take? 10 minutes? Yeah, with the fender off. With the fender on, it's a little bit more of a job getting to those upper bolts. Alright, now we're going to move this guy over here and check out our results, because I might have to move the striker. Oh, look at that. Not bad. Window might be going up a little bit high. Man. Pretty much centered on the striker. No more rock and roll. Alright, there you go. That's your 15-minute hinge, pin, and bushing replacement. Your slow garage. Now we'll move on.